Meanwhile, if you bought this stock on its public debut this day 38 years ago, you would have returns right now of more than 43,000%.
We are, of course, talking about Apple. The now tech giant went public December 12th, 1980, in the biggest tech IPO of its day, floating 4.6 million shares at $22 a share. More than 40 out of 1,000 Apple employees were reportedly made instant millionaires that day. And its biggest shareholder, 25-year-old Steve Jobs, finishing the day with a net worth of $217 million.
Many stock splits since then. The adjusted price at first was about 60 cents in today's terms. So it's gone from 60 cents or so up to well up into the 160s. What's interesting here is until the middle of 2004, Apple shares from its debut had lagged the S&P 500. So essentially, before it got to the iPod, iPhone era, it was kind of a can't really shoot straight, also ran in the computer market.
Yeah.
So it's fascinating in terms of the comeback in the last 15 or so years.
When Jobs came back, the iPod started, and then bam.
It took off from there when they stopped being kind of like the also ran to
and all along the way,
PCs.
there were always questions about Apple diversifying its product base, and we're still facing those questions.
Exactly.
With more than 60% of the revenues from the iPhones, what is the next big thing at Apple? They've climbed that wall of worry.
We're a little greedy about it. They reinvented a whole category of computing, basically, in your pocket. So, and it was only a decade ago or so.